Conquering negation, unraveling, will not, and won't. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we are going to discuss a crucial topic from our intermediate grammar series, the negative form of the modal verb, will. Don't worry if you find it a bit challenging at first, remember, practice is key. So, let's dive right in. Before we delve into the negative forms, let's quickly refresh our memory on the usage of will. Will is a modal verb we use to talk about the future, make predictions, promises, offers, and requests. For instance, I will see you tomorrow. Now, let's move to the heart of our discussion today, the negative forms of will. There are two main negative forms, will not, and the contraction, won't. These forms are used to indicate something that is not going to happen in the future. For example, she will not come to the party. I won't eat the cake. Notice how in the second example, will not is contracted to won't. It's shorter and commonly used in spoken English. You may ask, when should we use will not and won't? They can generally be used interchangeably, but will not tends to be more formal, whereas won't is used in more informal or spoken contexts. However, it's essential to remember that there is no difference in meaning between the two. We can also use will in questions to ask about the future, especially when we expect a negative answer. Here, the question is formed by switching the order of the subject and will and adding not. For example, will you not come to the party? In informal English, we can use won't in the question. Won't you eat the cake? Again, there's no change in meaning, just a shift in formality. That's all for today's lesson on the negative forms of will. Remember, the key to mastering these forms is practice. Try to use them in your conversations and writings. Don't worry if you make mistakes, they're part of the learning process. Stay tuned for more exciting lessons on English grammar. Until then, keep practicing, and happy learning.